In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Add Trusted Connections not working issue on Roblox. If you're having trouble adding a trusted connection, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to get it working. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a like. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep making more tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll see a QR code option. Click on it to display your personal QR code. To use Trusted Connections, both accounts must be identity verified. That means both you and the person you want to connect with need to complete Roblox's verification process. After both accounts are verified, ask the other person to scan your QR code using Roblox. Once they scan it and add you through the QR code, your accounts should automatically become Trusted Connections. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the issue. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.